I missed my bus. I missed my bus. The driver is taking a long route. The driver is taking a long route. My car broke down. My car broke down. The train has been delayed. The train has been delayed. My flight got cancelled. My flight got cancelled. My bus is late. My bus is late. My luggage is missing. My luggage is missing. I lost my mobile phone. I lost my mobile phone. My suitcase is damaged. My suitcase is damaged. Someone took my bag by mistake. Someone took my bag by mistake. The taxi is not coming. The taxi is not coming. There is heavy traffic on the road. There is heavy traffic on the road. Where can I find lost luggage? Where can I find lost luggage? My bag is too heavy. My bag is too heavy. My hotel room is not clean. My hotel room is not clean. The AC in my hotel room is not working. The AC in my hotel room is not working. There is no hot water in my hotel room bathroom. There is no hot water in my hotel room bathroom. There is a lot of noise in my hotel room. There is a lot of noise in my hotel room. There is a problem with my reservation. There is a problem with my reservation. I did not book this room. I did not book this room. The bus is overcrowded. The bus is overcrowded. I took the wrong road. I took the wrong road. This place is hard to find. This place is hard to find. I missed my flight. I missed my flight. Someone stole my wallet. Someone stole my wallet. The train platform has changed. The train platform has changed. The taxi driver is overcharging me. The taxi driver is overcharging me. How do I get back? How do I get back? I think I am in the wrong place. I think I am in the wrong place. I cannot understand your accent. I cannot understand your accent. I am lost. I am lost. Can you show me on the map? Can you show me on the map? How far is it from here? How far is it from here? Can you help me find this place? Can you help me find this place? Is this the right way? Is this the right way?